the place where he baptized. And why here? Because of the Bible. In the book of John of course, chapter 1, it's mentioned that when the Lord Jesus Christ came and asked the locals where to find the master, of course the master Jesus Christ, John the Baptist, they told him, you listen to this, you will find him baptize people east of the river. Now, if this is the river, the east will be, of course, Jordanian side. And also it's mentioned in the Bible, especially the Hebrew one, the word Abara or Avarim. Avarim means across. That he crossed the river, that he crossed the river and he found John the Baptist baptized people. This is the place where Elijah descended to the heaven. And if you look to the mosaic here, you can see Elijah on the fire carriage. Very important or very famous story, and this story happened here. We called it Tel Marilias, Elijah or valley or small hill. Tel means hell. And also very important to know that this place mentioned in the Bible under the name Wadi al-Kharar. Wadi, W-A-D-I, means valley. Kharar in Arabic means the sound of the water. If you just look all around here, you will see many water springs. And now unfortunately, because we have shortage of water, most of these springs dry, or there is no water anymore because they use it for irrigation and drinking water. But it used to be springs everywhere here, and if you come here anytime you hear the sound of the water going on. So this is why they called it Wadi al-Kharar. Let's go, Ayman. And here they answered, we are actually protecting, or we are in the same place where the Lord baptized. And she ordered them to build churches. So you will find ancient churches dated back to the Byzantine or Byzantine period everywhere, or belong to different churches. We do have the Coptic one, we do have the Maroni, we do have Orthodox Church, Catholic Church, Protestant, Swiss.
To Jordan River.
Pwedeng dumaan na lang dyan sa gubat. So isang oras na lakaran daw to.
Ay, bakit nang paiwan na sila? Ay,
Dito pwede. Sinabi na. Bakit? O, di ba? Tuyo na.
And that black one is the anaconda.
ito baka niya marami.
Madali pa yung lipstick. Baka naman nandyan pa yung ano.
Yung pa? Maraming ganit.
Ang dami hinihingi.
Dami requests.
Kaya naman pala ayaw sumama ni Sally. Talagang si Sally talaga.
Tsaka sana maglagay sila ng chowking. Namimiss ko. Namimiss ko na yung bagong.
Hindi mo chow. Nung nagre-reklamo na ganito yung mga sabi. Si Jesus nga mo ilahin. Wala. Ayun, naglakad hanggang dito.
Teka lang ha.
Kaya inaano nila, tignan nyo daw doon, ang ganda-ganda ng development pala dito. One, two, oh, ang ganda. 1, 2, 3.
Yan. River Jordan, where Jesus Christ was baptized by John the Baptist.
Souvenir.
يا نور مسيح نؤمن بإله واحد آب ضابط الكل خالق السماء والأرض كل ما يرى وما لا يرى وبرب واحد يسوع المسيح ابن الله الوحيد المولود من الآب قبل كل الدهور.
Ang ganda nung Mama Mary doon.
Kasama pang alipunga at aliba.
It's far.
Ay, magpaano ka?